Good afternoon, everybody. Captain Namco here, and what you're looking at is a AMF Amflite 2 bowling pin. This bad boy is ABC, WIBC and ABC approved. I actually got this from Cable, and I've had this thing since I was in, I think, my sophomore year, sophomore year, or something like that. I don't remember. No, it would have been my junior year. Late sophomore year, junior year, somewhere around there. Either way, I've had this since I was in high school. Or just after. Some of the pins I got when I was still in school. Well, maybe after. Either way, I've had them since either late 2009 to early 2011, so we'll just leave it at that. Also, we're going to do a sound test. Like I said, we're doing it indoor because of inclement weather. And this will actually suffice for the job because this is a hard tile floor. So, here we go. That sounds pretty dang good. That's the sound of a healthy bowling pin. Let's spin it like this. The emblem will fall and hit the floor. That sounds awesome. And then back. Alright, y'all. There's your bowling pin sound for today. Drop a like, comment down below, subscribe for more videos. And I'll see y'all next time. Thanks for watching.